Meet Aurodo Travel and Transport, an innovative augmented reality game that focuses on interactive learning. Within minutes, your child will have so much fun discovering different vehicles and machines. They won't even realize they are learning. 70 vehicle cards that once scanned will take your child into an augmented reality. Expand their knowledge further through 70 3D activities and over 200 in-app quizzes, including jigsaw puzzles, surprise scratches, and more. The spelling quizzes are specially designed with phonic sounds and dancing alphabets that are sure to capture your child's attention. Internet is only required for setup, so pack up the vehicle cards and take this creative learning wherever you go. This massive collection will entertain kids for hours and is perfect for children ages 3 to 12. There is no better way to learn than to experience vehicles firsthand in the Aurodo ecosystem. Learning will no longer be boring.